Hey, what's up everyone, Jelani here. Welcome to the next video, guys, where I'm going to show you how to retarget like a king, okay? Retargeting is super important because a lot of the times people are not going to take you up on your first offer. So what you have to do is you have to retarget them. You have to show them the ad again or the product again so they will buy it, right? Or they click on it so they can see it. You know, maybe they need a second look at it or a second opinion, or maybe they thought about it and, you know, they want to buy it but they forgot where to buy it from. So there's a lot of different things that could happen within that sequence, right? Within trying to get someone to purchase something for you. So you want to make sure that you always are retargeting. And I'm going to show you guys what I've been doing to retarget to people so that they see the ad if they're even off Facebook, right? If they're on Google, if they're on Spotify, whatever app that they may be on, it will possibly be able to show them, right? The best example that I always give is I've seen ads from Facebook, right, on Tinder, okay? And that's crazy because you know, you don't go on Tinder looking for, you know, marketing or for some type of e-commerce idea, right? You go in there for a specific reason, but these ads will follow you to wherever you are, okay? So what you want to do is you want to head over to Asset Library and you want to head over to audiences, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to create a custom audience, and we're going to click on custom audience. And we're going to go to website traffic, and we're going to go to from your events, okay? And we're going to click on view content, and we're going to click on 7 days, so the last week, and we're going to refine by URL parameter, meaning that we want to only show this ad to people who viewed content on these pages, okay? So we're going to click on URL, and we're going to make sure that it says contains, not equals or doesn't contain. We're going to click on contains, and we're going to click on, we're going to copy this link. I already have it copied, but you want to copy the URL that you have for your product page. And what I'm also going to do is I'm actually going to include my Commerce HQ URL. Obviously, this is an extra step you guys will not have to do because you don't have, you know, Commerce HQ. But I'm just going to grab that so you guys can see the process. So it's gonna pull data from the view contents from the ClickFunnels URL and then the Commerce HQ URL. But again, you guys can include any URL you want to. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exclude people who did not purchase in the last 7 days. Okay. And for here we don't have to put in a URL because it should know, like, we have it set up so it knows people who only view content but didn't go to the thank you page or didn't go to the designated page we put our purchase pixel on, right? Which would be the second step in our funnel, which is the OTL, right? We know that they bought from us because they landed on our OTL page, right? So we want to make sure that that's in place. So all we have to do now is put in mini presso. I'm going to do the mini presso retarget. So mini presso retarget, if I can spell retarget. Okay, so we're gonna click on create audience. All right, and now it's gonna take a few minutes for it to populate. Okay, so I'm gonna click on done here, and what I'm gonna do is try to see if we can find it. Mini presso retarget, right? So it says audience is too small, but it will populate, and I'm actually going to pause the video, and when it populates, we're going to set up a retargeting campaign right inside of Facebook, okay? So give me a second, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. So the mini presso retarget finally populated, so you can see the size is at 500 here, and the availability says ready, okay? So now we're ready to make a retargeting campaign. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your ads manager, right? And we're going to set up a regular campaign like we would do for PPE or for purchase conversion. So I'm going to click on create campaign here. And for the conversion type, I'm actually going to click on purchase, okay? You can test different things, but purchase seems to work the best for me, and I still get link clicks. So I'm going to say purchase mini presso retarget, okay? And then I'm going to click continue. And I'm going to name this mini presso retarget. So mini presso retarget. And we're going to say custom. So I know it's from a custom audience. So now we're going to change the conversion type to purchase. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the country to whatever the country that person's from. So we're going to click on custom audience, and we're going to choose mini presso retarget. All right, so it's going to show this campaign to only people who match this custom audience. So anyone who viewed content but did not purchase is going to see this ad. We're going to leave it at all, so all age types. We're going to exclude expand interest. We don't have to put any detailed targeting because it's just pulling the people from the mini presso retargeting custom audience. Okay, so we're going to edit the placement, and what we're going to do here is a little different from what we normally do. Okay, so normally what we do is we take off everything from Messenger, Audience Network, Instagram, right? But what we're going to do is we're going to actually leave on Audience Network. Okay, and the reason why is because Audience Network is the placement that allows us to put our ads on different external websites, right? So if you come here, it says extend your reach by showing ads to the same target audience on other mobile apps and websites. Okay, so how cool is that? So we can leave on Instagram and we can actually leave on Facebook. Okay, so we're gonna leave all these on because we want to kind of maximize our value in terms of retargeting. We don't care really where they come from as long as they're clicking the link and buying from us, right? We don't care if it's from Instagram, we don't care if it's from the Audience Network, if it's from the side or from the top right. We just want that money back. We just want the ad spend that we spent to get that person in the beginning. We want to get them back, right? So typically you could spend around $5 to $10 per day because it's not that many people. So for this, I'm just going to do a simple $5 a day campaign, and we're going to do 7-day conversion window. We're going to click continue, and for this ad creation, we're actually going to create a new ad instead of using an existing post. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to select the page that we want. So select the page, whatever the page you have, and then so for me it's the deal box, and then I'm going to do a single image. So we can do a carousel, we can test videos, we can test single images, collection, slideshow. So for this, I'm going to do single image. We can also do single video, so if we wanted to pull a video from YouTube, or if we saw another ad, we can show them a video, which probably would convert a little better, but for now we're just going to do a single image. And I'm going to upload an image from, actually let's see if it's actually here already before we do that. Okay, let's see. Yep, it's already, so let's click on add images. Nope, not there. It should be here. So let's actually test this one. I'm going to test this one, okay? Only because I think it will look really good in terms of people saying, oh, like I know what that is, right? It's the mini presso. And we want to link them back to this URL. So we want to link them back to the buy page, or the product landing page, excuse me. Alright, so the headline is going to be the mini presso, one of a kind. The text, we're going to change the text, okay? So we're going to say the mini presso is one of a kind. Coffee on the go has never been this easy. Don't miss your chance to have one of the hottest items this summer. Okay, don't miss your chance to have one of the hottest items this summer. And then we can say here, we can say something like limited stock, hurry before they sell out. You just say hurry, limited stock, hurry. All right. The display link, we can leave that blank. The call to action, we're actually going to click on shop now. So for the headline, I'm going to say mini presso coffee maker. Yep, that's perfect. That looks really good. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click confirm. Click confirm here. And now what's going to happen is the ad is going to show to people that we designated within our custom audience, which is people who viewed our content but did not purchase our product. Okay, so does that make sense? So that ad is going to show to and it's going to keep updating, right? It's going to keep updating itself, because as more people see and don't buy, they're going to see that ad often on Instagram. They're going to see it on any external app that Facebook allows, right? So it's going to find those people, right? We don't have to do anything, okay? And you can see here Facebook actually updated our purchases for our mini press sale, which is awesome, okay? All right, guys, so now you can see this is 4 purchases. This has 2. So things are looking up, guys. We're gonna let this run a little longer, get that pixel data in there, and you know, this cost per purchase is gonna keep going down as Facebook gets smarter. It shows people who are actually gonna buy the product, and we're gonna be, you know, scoring really big days, because as we continue on and look at the data, we can modify our funnel and offer better products for our one-time offers, right? Because we make more money again with the upsells, and we have to make sure that those offers are good enough for people to take on, so we can increase our AOV. So we're making way more than we're spending to acquire that person to spend the initial $50 or $55, $60 for this product, right? And this is the same process for free plus shipping offers, and I'm actually designing a free plus ship offer as we speak that I think is going to crush it. So I can't wait to show you guys that with an update video. Okay, guys? So I hope you guys understand this. If you don't, message me and I'll be sure to follow up with you and help you guys out. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. That's it for today, guys. Tomorrow there'll be a new video, so if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that alert button so you know when that video drops. I know you probably want more information, but I want to take it really step by step and slow so you guys understand what I'm talking about. So if you want to see that video, subscribe, hit the alert button. I can't wait to see you there.